Hello, my name is Piet Buyck and I'm the CEO of Garvis, the first bionic demand planning system. Every quantity an organization produces is based on the demand plan. A demand plan is a forecast of what's going to be sold based on the data that you have, algorithmic methods you choose, and a final process of consensus. 99%, 500,000 of all enterprises in the world have hardwired the process and the methods for the creation of that plan based on the assumption that what happened in the past will repeat itself in the future, regardless of what happens in the world. A method called statistics. Not. If Trump and climate change was not enough, then COVID made it clear that there is no such thing anymore as a repetition of the past. Especially COVID changed the nature of the demand. It forced everybody out of the shops and meetings to the online world and created a new type of consumer that wants personalized items within 24 hours across a selection of channels. This increased complexity of consumption brings forecasting beyond the pain point and error of what can be handled. Very frustrating is that this new customer leaves an exponential growing numbers of digital traces in the cloud, of which every planner feels that they are predictive. But those data like pricing, weather, retail sales, numbers, social media cannot be used. Each attempt to adjust the current systems to the new reality triggers a very costly implementation bill, and it takes months to see progress. AI feels like it could help, but standard artificial intelligence is implemented as a black box, which makes it unfit for any consensus. And without adaptation, artificial intelligence is not fit for demand planning. With Garvis, we make a full paradigm shift to deal with change by giving the planner and not the system provider full control of AI to forecast that we made user trainable and transparent to navigate the ocean of data so that there are no more implementation costs. If a planner can play a computer game, he can set up Garvis. By adapting the latest evolution of artificial intelligence models, we have created three things. We created a semantic data layer around the model so that the planner together with us can wrangle his history or Excel in less than an hour. From that moment, he's operational. The planner can now wrangle any predictive data set like weather, pricing, retail sales into data that can be used by the model. This will open the windows of the organization to the outside world. Secondly, Garvis created also a bionic layer around the artificial intelligence so that the planner can naturally interact. The planner tells the system what event, be a holiday, promotion, pricing, cost a peak, or trough in the past, and the AI will help the planner look into the selected data, whether and when the situation will repeat itself and in what quantity. Thirdly, we designed an intelligent supervisor model that tracks the decision of the AI models and translates them in an explainable result. From stuck in the past to an actionable insight based on outside data. From 6 months implementation to evergreen systems from day one. 30-40% less error or safety stock. But more important, as a planner, you become the strategic eyes and ears of your enterprise.